all of the data you're going to use in your program gets set up in the data division. To add structure to this, we use what's called a relationship. We can see that by looking at this segment of code right here. In this, we've got level indicators, each with their own descriptive entry. 1, meaning it's the highest. And then the additions are below it at 0.5. And the file account rect has its own set of variables with their own level indicators down here. Don't you just love that structure? Basically saying the data this file needs are the account fields, and then spells out exactly what those account fields are. So we've declared the data. Let's move and compute are reserved words that we use to alter the value. Move does, well, you probably figured it out. It moves from one place into a variable, and compute is used to perform math. 70 variables up top, which are who, where, why, rate, hours, and first 3 are alphanumeric, and the last 3 are numeric. And down in the procedure division, we're using move to set up some of those variables. Who, where, and why are Captain Cobalt, San Jose, California, and learn to COBOL expert. And that's spelled out pretty clearly on those lines. We're also in the hours and rate to 19 and 23. We are not going to pay with a move. Instead, we're going to use compute and set that to the answer of hour times rate. And then lastly, we'll output the variables with some text before them so the person using the program knows what got. Pretty simple, right? Good, because it's time for a lap. Take a look at the 00 COBOL source code in the id.cbl dataset. And make sure you're submitting the JCL for it and not the COBOL. Submit the JCL to run the COBOL. Got that?